Welcome back to Low Stress Math with Mrs. Bono. Today we are going to review Chapter 4 functions. And you need the blue packet that goes with the Chapter 4 blue packet. So let's get started. The first page is a graphing page. And, all right, so there's a silly thing at the top that says, what happened after a burglar broke into a tuba factory? And the answer we get at the bottom will be the other half of the joke. So, directions. Each ordered pair at the bottom of the page represents a point on the coordinate below. Above each ordered pair, write the letter that appears at that point. So let's look at the whole page at one time. Can I do that? I don't even think that I can. All right, so down here are the coordinate pairs. Now remember, when it's in parentheses like that, that's an ordered pair, or a pair of coordinates. And the order really is important. The first number in an ordered pair is the x coordinate, and the second number is the y. And that's really important because x goes horizontally. Look, here's the x axis. So the x coordinate tells you which way to go horizontally, and the y coordinate tells you which way to go vertically. So let's start with this first one, 5, 4. So here's 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 to the right, because that's the x. 1, 2, 3, 4 up, because that's the y. And I get to the letter H. So, I'm going to put the coordinate 5, 4 next to the letter H. And then down on the bottom, I'm going to put H above here. 10, 2. Again, I'm going to start from the middle and count 10 to the right. Well, I don't actually have to, because the number line here is numbered. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So I can come straight to 10 and then go up 2, 1, 2. So this point is 10, 2. So down here, next to 10, 2, you write the letter E. And you just keep going like that for the entire page. There's a few that are going to be harder than others. So let's take a look at this next one, which has -3, 7. So here's 0, 0, -1, -2, -3, because I'm going left, it's negative. Between -2 and -4, -3. And then 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is -3, 7. And that is a W. -10, 5. Now again, I don't have to count -10 because it's right here on this line. -10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that point there is -10, 5. Coordinates always have parentheses and a comma. So the letter A goes here. -2, -5. Again, right, left first, because X tells you to go right or left. And the first one says -2, -5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we go. -2, -5. It's the letter S. -3, -10. -1, -2, -3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oof, all the way down here. -3, -10. C. Three, -2. So now back to the middle again. And 3 is to the right, +3. 1, 2, 3, -2, 1, 2. 3, -2. And that's letter R. And the next one is +8, -4. Follow till you get to the 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 down. positive 8, negative 4. That's going to be letter E. If you didn't stop the video and do the rest of the problems on your own, now might be a good time to just take a minute, pause the video, and do the rest of the problems. And come back and I'll do the problems with you if there's one that you get confused with. I should put some timestamps on here, but I'm not that great at it. So for the next one, 6, 0. So that means you go 6 to the right and 0 up and down. So this D is 6, 0. Doesn't go up or down. 0, 5. That means 0 of right and left and 5 up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up here is 0, 5, letter I. Negative 4, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up there's negative 4. And 0, it doesn't go up or down. It's this letter T. Negative 4, 0. 0, negative 1. 0, oh, sorry, I read that wrong. 0, negative 11. So no right or left. Down, down, down. Here's negative 10, negative 11. So that is 0, negative 11. Letter E. Positive 2, positive 2. 2 to the right and up 2. That's 2, 2. Positive D. What happened after the burglar broke into a tuba factory? He was credited. Now, I stopped there because I wanted to make sure that my little part of a sentence made sense. Because if it makes sense, then it's probably all done correctly. Of course, it's me doing it, and I'm perfect, right? Oh, no, you're not, Bono. I saw you make a mistake. You're right, you're right. Here we go. Negative 5, negative 8. Negative 4, negative 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Negative 5, negative 8. Down there is another W. Negative 7, negative 1. Sorry, negative 7, positive 1. Back here, negative 6, negative 7, up 1, letter I. Positive 7, negative 9. 7 to the right, and then down 9. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. So here's negative 7, negative 9. And that is letter T. I bet this is going to be an H. This looks like a whiz to me. So negative 9, 0. Let's see if I'm right. Negative 9, 0. Hey, look at me. I'm getting good at this. Negative 9, 0. Letter H. Negative 7, negative 2. Negative 6, negative 7, negative 1, negative 2. Negative 7, negative 2. T. 4, negative 8. Positive 4, negative 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. That's a W. Well, that's going to be interesting. Positive 6, positive 7. Positive 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Positive 6, positive 7. Letter E. Negative 5, positive 9. Okay, let's see that. Negative 4, negative 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Negative 5, positive 9. And that's a letter N. 0, -7. 0 down to -7. Letter T. When the 0 comes first, it's on the y-axis. When the 0 comes second, it's on the x-axis. So the first one is 0, it's on the axis. Now I forgot what letter I was doing. T. -8, -6. Okay. -8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. -8, -6. Letter Y. -0, +10. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. The letter O. 0, 0. 0, 0. Right there. That's the N. What's another word name for 0, 0? It has its own name. That might be a question on the test, huh? 0, 0. Origin. Ooh, remember that one. +9, +5. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. +9, +5. I knew that was going to be an E, even before I did it. 9, 0. +9, 2, 4, 6, 8, up 9, and it doesn't go up or down. It's +9, 0. That's the letter S. I should stop right now. With 21. He was credited with 21. Interesting. 5, -6. 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5, -6. And that is 5, -6, a T. -9, +8. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. -9, +8. Letter O. -11, -1. Well, that's -10. It's -11. Oh, I read it wrong. It's -11, -11. Bono, bono, bono. Learn to read. -11, -11. Letter L. 4, 1. +4, up 1. Okay. What did I just write? I'm going to put an E there. 4, 1. Okay. And that is an E. 0, 8. Remember, when 0 comes first, it's on the y-axis. So 0x is up 8. Here it is, 0, 8. Letter N. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. N. -4, +3. -1, -2, -3, -4. 1, 2, 3. -4, +3. B. +9, -7. Okay. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. +9, 7. -7. +9, -7. Letter A. -2, 0. -2, but it's not up or down. That is -2, 0. When it's 0 up and down, then it's on the x-axis. That is letter S. 8.5 and 11. Well, that's interesting. 8.5. 8.5 is the same as 8.5. So 8.5 is going to be halfway between 8 and 9. So it's right here in the middle of the box. And then up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This is 8.5, 11, because it's in the middle of the line there. I don't like that. I hate when they do that, but that's letter S. 0, negative 3.5. Okay. 0 doesn't go right or left. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. And halfway between negative 3 and negative 4 is negative 3.5, letter E. So this is 0, negative 3.5. I wish instead of 0.5 they had written a half. That would be better for me also. But they don't always do that. 1.5 and 0. Positive 1, right in the middle is 1.5, and it doesn't go up or down, so it's 0. So this is 1.50 at letter S. Let's see what they said. What happened after a burglar broke into a tuba factory? He was credited with 21 stolen bases. That's really stupid. I don't like that. But best we can do with what we have. All right, have a great day. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.